This is our 14th function with the steamer. The steamer is all digital. It has the aromatherapy. You can put orange peels and tea bags in here, which is very nice. You can do also aromatherapy in here by putting oils in there into the sponge that's inside. You move the arm up and down. It goes sideways as well by opening the knob. You have your magnifying lamp there, and you have all the functions, as well as the hot towel cabi, which is right here. And you have your water catcher down there. Recommended that you don't put wet towels, but you wring up the water and you put kind of damp inside. And you have also the buckets here for the dirty towels that you use. And of course you have your wood lamp right here with the skirt, where you put the customer's face inside and you look from the outside. And in our catalog it has the color codes to look for whatever the problems that the client might have. So then let's go into the functions. First, what we're going to show you is the brush. And what you do is you plug in the machine, you turn on the machine, there's a switch in the back, and you see the lights coming up. Then you have your brush, and to remove the brush head, all you do is you hold it tight, you pull out, you have your little notches, and you push it back in, and it's inside. And with the brush set, you're basically gonna get 5 different brushes, detachable and attachable. And then you put it in where you see the brush section for the facial, and you plug it in, and you turn on the machine. Over here it says start and stop, and then the brush section itself. Now the brush is on, and here you have the switch to turn the brush on. And if you want more speed, you go up with the energy and it speeds up, or you turn the other way. So this is how the brush works. We use the cold and hot hammer, which is basically to open the pores, to put products in and close the pores. Again, you plug the item in here where it says facial hammer. Then again you turn on the switch here. You see the lights coming on, and then basically one side is going to get hot and the other side it's going to stay cold. That's on the facial hammer. The ultrasonic, you have 2 different kinds. You have one with the narrow head, that's for the eyes, face, and then you also have the face and body, the flat side. So what you do is, again, you plug this one in right here where it says ultrasonic, and you can only plug one at a time. You turn back on the ultrasonic here, and there's a small button on the side. You have to press it. Now you can put products in there, whatever it is. Then you're gonna see little bubbles. So that shows you that the machine is working, and you can apply it on the skin. So that's that. This other one works the same way. After you plug it in, there's a little button you have to press. Keep pressing in order for the machine to work. Galvanic here. And you have 3 pieces on the Galvanic. You have the roller, the ball, and the straight one. This actually is the positive, which you plug it into the red. This one you give it to your customer's hand with a cloth for them to get the currency. So that's in their hand. And then on the negative part you have 2 choices. You can either use this or this on the face or on the body. If you're going to be using this one you plug in into the black, and you turn on the Galvanic, and then you basically go on with the energy, and as soon as they hold that and you start the rolling motion, then you're gonna see how the energy is basically flowing. So this is the Galvanic part. Again, the high frequency, you take this and you plug it into where it says high frequency, and you have 3 different components that also come with the machine. You have the curved ones, you have the spoon, and you have the leaf shape. And the most popular, usually what people use, is the round one here. You plug it in, you turn on the high frequency, and then you have the energy level right there, and as you can see, it's doing its job very well. Now we're gonna show you the spray machine, and you have here two hoses, one black, one white. Makes really no difference, but if you want to put the black, you attach it onto the spray bottle, and you go where it says spray right here, you plug it in, and you can always rest it in here as well. And after you put your liquids in here, toner or whatever, you put your finger up here. It's basically gonna spray out. So that's that. Now if you want to do the vacuum, you can use the red cable or the black. Makes no difference. So you put it in there, and it comes with three components. You have the round one, you have the flat, which is the most popular, and then the ball shape here as well. And again, after you plug it in, you turn on the equipment where it says the VSA Diamond Dermic, and when you put your finger and you close the hole, so you can feel the suction and you can see how the clock is moving. So this is basically how it works. On the microdermabrasion, you use the same hole where it says vacuum. You plug it in here because here is the sign for the microderm. After that, you attach the handle, the bottom of the handle. Then what you do is you open the heads, and you're gonna see basically 9 different heads. This 3 is for the face, this 2 is around the eyes area. This you can use face and body as well. Then what you do is you take one of the heads. Usually there's a filter that comes with it. You attach the filter on top of this, and you close it, and you're ready to go. And here is your volume dial, minimum to maximum. If you put it on maximum and you put it on your hand, and you can see how the dialer is basically moving between 15 to 20, and you do this this type of motion without lifting in order for the handle and the bit to grab the skin. If you want to prevent even more that preventive measurement, what you can do is we sell additional filters which we can attach it. You cut the hose here, you attach the other filter and attach the other end, so you're gonna have additional protection if you want, but otherwise the one that goes the mesh in here should be sufficient. So that's pretty much it on this equipment.